Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a sheet in Revit. Scroll down to your project browser, right click on sheet, click on new sheet, then you need to load in a sheet. I'm gonna use this sheet I modified earlier. When you select the sheet, you open it. If you don't have a title block, you can download it and make some modifications. Here is the sheet I created. So for you to modify this sheet, click on it, click edit family. Now you can work on the sheet, change the text and adjust the line to fit your desires. You can type in a text, click text, type in like this. You can type in anything. You can change the format, the text size, the color. Just highlight it, click on edit type, duplicate. Here you can change the color to your desired color, like here. Now you can change the font here and also adjust the text size. When you're okay with it, you close it. Same as the line. If you want to create a new line, click on create line. You can sketch any line of your choice, then change the thickness. You can make it a thin line or medium or a white line, anyhow you want it. When you're done with it, click on load into project. Override the existing version and its parameter values. Click on it. When you're done, create some other views. So all you need to do is to right click, new sheet. You select the name of the sheet. Now we have two sheets here. Just add the number of your sheets. When you are done, you need to organize your sheet. Highlight this, right click, click on rename. This is the number. You can also change the name. Let's write a floor plan. So the second one is the roof plan. You can as well rename it. To add view, just scroll down to the view you want to add, like the ground floor plan. You just drag it and place. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or contribution to make, drop it in the comments section. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.